In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable autosave to gallery in Zangi. If your phone's gallery keeps filling up with images and clips from your chats, this quick setting will help you keep things tidy and save storage. We'll walk through the exact path in the app, explain what the toggle does, and share a couple of tips so you stay in control of your media. Start by opening the Zangi app on your phone. Make sure you're on the main screen where you can see your chats. From here, you'll head into the app's settings. Look for the settings area, often shown as a gear icon. Tap it, and then open the section called Data Storage. Depending on your device or app version, it may appear as Data and Storage or something very similar, but you're looking for the place that manages storage behavior. Inside Data Storage, find the option labeled Autosave to Gallery. This is the switch that decides whether photos and videos you receive in your chats are saved automatically to your phone's gallery. When this is turned on, anything you receive can show up in your gallery app, which can be convenient, but it may also clutter your camera roll and use up space. If you prefer to keep chat media inside Zangi until you choose to save it, you'll want this off. Go ahead and turn off Autosave to Gallery. Once disabled, new incoming photos and videos will remain in your chat threads instead of being automatically added to your gallery. This change doesn't delete anything that's already been saved to your gallery. It only affects what happens from this point forward. You can still save any item manually when you want it in your gallery, giving you full control over what stays on your device. A quick tip: if you're trying to conserve mobile data or storage, keeping autosave off is a smart move because you avoid downloading and storing large files you might not need. Also, if you use cloud backup for your gallery, turning autosave off prevents chat media from syncing to the cloud by default, which can help you manage your backup space. If you ever change your mind, simply return to Settings, open Data Storage, and turn autosave to Gallery back on. The setting is immediate, so new media will start saving automatically again as soon as you re-enable it. That's all you need to do. With Autosave to Gallery disabled, your phone stays cleaner, your storage is easier to manage, and you decide exactly what makes it into your gallery.